Yeah, once again, warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. And Phoenix Commodities is purely into training and grooming people for commodities market in India. Our mission is to empower and educate people for different asset classes in India, and as a part of our initiative towards the spreading learnings and awareness about commodities market, we have started this free learning series Commodity Pathshala, and today it's a part 2. I had already shared last week we already had part 1. It has been uploaded uh, on our website. I know that majority of the members have not gone through this. There are members, those who have joined today for the first time. For them, I would suggest that you people can just register in our website phoenixcommodities.com. If you have missed a Commodity Pathshala part 1, I would request you, all of you, to register in the website and go through the recordings for the part 1. So I'm not going to repeat whatever we have done in the part 1. It's Yes, and today, once again, warm welcome to all of you. And see, I'm really glad to uh, see that a huge number of attendees have joined to learn something new. Again, I'm also glad to start this new series, Commodity Pathshala. See, by this, I will be able to connect live with you all, the commodity traders and interested market participants. Let us connect. You people can connect with me. We can discuss commodity market trends, technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuation, and many more things related to commodities. Oh, yes, definitely. I'm going to answer. I am already getting plenty of questions from the members. Huge number of attendees have joined. I'm going to target each and everyone's question. And see, we are going to discuss definitely silver, gold, and I'll try to focus on all the commodities. What all is important to be successful to be a commodity trader? What should you people focus on? More importantly, what not to focus? Right. So why it is important to learn and become an independent trader rather than following tapes? So all these things are already been scheduled in my agenda points. Let me quickly, first of all, before going ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Hiral Shah, MBA and MCX certified commodity professional, and I'm having more than decade years of teaching experience. We have already trained more than thousands member in under the brand name Phoenix Commodities, and really happy to share with you all that all of them are having gala time trading commodities. So let us come. Yeah, already Yashwant sir, Tejas sir, Rohit sir. Yeah, I'm just reading your questions and I'm going to revert you back as early as possible. Okay, Avinash sir. So hold on for that. We'll be coming to that. Before going ahead, let me lay down today's agenda point. Let me lay down today's agenda point quickly. Analyzing commodity trends, world commodity trends, we are going to focus why these commodities are global and how we can take an advantage of that. Analyzing today's MCX live market, definitely we are going to discuss today's live market. रोहित सर हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे हम लोग बीच में. अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इंग्लिश में, अगर द फ्लो इज गोइंग इन इंग्लिश, और काफी लोग और द मेजोरिटी ऑफ द मेंबर्स, काफी लोग हिंदी नहीं समझते, तो yeah, I will try to manage both in between. If you people are not getting anything clear in English, let me know. I will repeat in Hindi. If Hindi member, or yeah, if the English members having trouble with the Hindi, you can let me know again. I'll repeat in English. So don't worry, it would be very simple language so that I can balance both of you. Yeah. Analyzing today's live MCX live market, we will discuss what are the levels been put up in our channel, where why today we have taken so trade, how you can plan your trades, and what is the current global market trends and what can be the next. We'll try to analyze as much as we can. Definitely you people will be getting plenty of learnings. Power of compounding, if time permits, today we'll be going through power of compounding, or we'll be going through next session. So today, this are today's highlights or today's agenda points. Yeah, definitely. Let us jump to today's market. Getting wonderful reply and questionnaires from everyone. So before going ahead and before wasting a single minute, let me start our session fresh with today's market, or what are the today's market and what are the levels being given over here. Yes, all of you would be following me on or following us on the Phoenix Commodities free channel, right? If not, then start following it. It is the Telegram channel. You people can just connect us with this Phoenix Commodities free channel. Those who are not following it, start following it. Yes, every day live levels, advanced trade levels will be posted over here, as well as the market opening. When the market is going to open, means we try to update as many things possible in the our free channel as well. Looking about the margin rules, Yashwant sir, and all that things I will try to cover, sir. So what are the margin requirement for trading commodities, how they are globally related, how we can find out the opening of this prices of these commodities, a little bit of fundamentals and technicals, and again today's market which we are going to discuss today. So yeah, the Phoenix Commodities live advanced levels are being put up in our channel. Today we had kept two levels: copper sell near 672 and nickel sell near 1193. How many of you had taken an advantage of this levels? Come on, I want quick reply from everyone. Any one of you had traded on this? Yes, they are advanced levels which we had kept at 9:10, and it executed almost after 1 hour. That's amazing, Vaibhav sir. What about others? Oh, definitely, Rohit sir will be looking at silver as well. That's great. One lot is more than enough, sir. One lot or 1 point of profit in copper, it is giving 2500 rupees of profit. Yashwant sir, that is for you. Wow, Akshat, Akash sir, or oh, sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrongly. Akyat sir, right? That's amazing. You traded with 5 lot. Great, great going. So that 1 point of profit is 2500. Anyone can multiply, sir. Can you share your profit? That's great. So majority of the members are already knowing the potential of commodities, right? 1 point of profit in copper is giving 2500 rupees of profit. So 2 lots, it is giving 5000. 4 lots, it is giving 10,000. Exactly, sir. So that's amazing. How many of you had taken a trade on nickel? Come on, anyone? Really good to look the followers, those who are looking at our channel and are also minting on that. I'm really happy for this. Oh, Rakesh sir, that is a good question. You can keep the variation of 1 point because these are advanced level, right? We are keeping this levels quite in advance. We are putting up in advance, say by before 1 hour or before 2 hours. So you are getting enough time to execute this levels, right, Rakesh sir? So what you can do, you can put one sell at 1192. If you're trading with 2 lots, you can trade one lot at 1192. You can trade another lot at 1193. Your average price would be between that, and you can keep the same stop loss. When you get a first target, you can book one lot. You can trail another lot for the next profit. Rakesh sir, hope you got the clarity. Yeah, that's great. Yashwant sir, that's amazing feedback. I would like to share it with everyone. uh, from then margin rules messed up. I used to trade back and I joined MCX Genie and got a profit of 50,000 in a week. Yashwant sir, you are doing wonderful job. You should not stop it. You should invest in your learnings. Learnings are priceless. You yourself can be genie. You yourself can create such advanced levels. And commodities is giving huge potential for this. It is quite simple to work work on commodities because here in commodities technicals work such amazingly. It is giving amazing results. These scripts are being traded globally. It's not only Indian that we sitting at India are trading this commodities. You can trade this commodities globally wherever you would be located in the world. And if you are able to mint 50K by just paying 5,000 for Genie, that means you are having amazing trading skills, sir. So please invest in your learnings and can start again, have a great comeback, and you will mint more than whatever you would had lost because of this less learnings. And the margin rules are not that huge. You can definitely build your margin. Yes, I'll be explaining that also. So there are many members, those who have taken even a nickel calls. So nickel call was even posted, and you won't believe that it has given a, I think, more than, yeah, definitely will be looking at the charts. Why not? Definitely, Avinash, sir, there is a plenty of difference between the stock and the sea. If you people are following the single script, there is a lot of difference between in the two different scripts. It is a complete different segment to treat. There are a lot of nuances involved in commodities which you won't be getting in equity, Avinash, sir. So it is a yeah, it is a combination of technicals, full-fledged technical setup, definitely, which is a highly efficient trading setup which you can use in any globally traded script or forex or any other script, as well as in the domestically traded script, along with a pinch of fundamentals. Hope you are understanding, Avinash, sir. Yes, Rohit sir, you can start with the minimum capital and can mint huge. So before going to the margin requirement for trading in commodities, let us discuss today's nickel call as well. Definitely, as I've got already question, and as today we are going to discuss the live market, definitely I'm going to concern, yes, and the global market also. We'll be discussing global market as well. See, here you people can see I've just opened the zero the chart. Yeah, I'm just fond of Ally's charts, and as well as Zerodha charts. It's work amazing. Ally's is the best platform for trading in commodities, and it is giving you the best margin limit. Okay, so now as we are discussing nickel and nickel call, which was given in the chart in today's channel, those who are not following Phoenix Commodity Free channel, please do start following from today itself. Yes, definitely, I will be discussing Genie levels as well as the masters level, silver and NG2. Okay, so hold on and let us go ahead. Yeah, so nickel call which was posted, just a minute, let me minimize other windows so that it won't come in between. Nickel call which was posted early in the morning, which was the sell call, which was posted, definitely silver micro event will discuss silver. Rohit sir, don't worry. Yeah, so this is, I've just opened the 15-minute time frame, and you people can see the profit that we scored by the nickel. Nickel call was posted early in the morning, 10 o'clock. It got executed 1192.80, and it has given a wonderful profits from the previous supply zone. The call was been posted on the basis of the simple technical setup. Definitely, I will not able to explain you the complete technical setup run behind it, but I can show you the price action which we got in the early morning by 10 o'clock when the call was posted, and the profits which have been booked by our members due to this call. Yeah, definitely I'll be liking to, I'm just going to the shorter time frame so that you people can understand. The call was posted at 9 o'clock, and it's not only like that, our master has given the buy call as well. So one sell call was going, already the sell was from 193, and we were able to capture such a huge movement. It made a low of a 1186. So 1193 to 1186, it's a huge profit. 1 point of profit in nickel is giving us a 1500 rupees. Yes, so you can just imagine if you are even picking 4 points of profit in this, then also you are gaining huge profits. Exactly, you just need to multiply it and see the results And the majority, I'm really happy that the majority of the members had picked it. It is more than 5 points of profit. And within few minutes, it was just within half an hour that we had scored more than 5 points of profit. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, please keep on following this. Other important thing even I'm sharing with you all. Exactly, sir. You are right. It is more, yeah. Yeah, I'm already getting few questions whether there would be the recordings for this session. Will I get the recordings or not? So hold on, sir. We'll try to give you the people the recordings. And Yashwant, sir, that's amazing. You should come back soon after focusing in your learning, sir. Yeah, it is more than 7,500 rupees of profit in just 30 minutes. This is the strong potential of commodities. If you are able to pick good levels, you can mint huge. Yeah, other questions will try to do that. Don't worry about the questions. We'll definitely target your all questions after few minutes. Now just look at your the labels which have been posted by, yes, you people can just check over here. Just check this. Here you people can see the NG levels have been posted and our members are trading wonderfully in NG as well. What I'm There are many members those who are interested in NG. It is not on it, it is not required, sir. The normal trend line and the normal chart patterns are also giving amazing results. And see, already discussed that what is going to happen, and according to the chart we have received all the targets. You people can just check this. It is trying to form the inverted head and shoulder pattern. It is almost in the verge of the completion, and today we are just reaching to our targets. So this is the power of commodities. You can do your research and analysis on the global script, and you will be getting the sort of live levels, or you can trade on the levels of a MCX chart quite easily. So here you people can see that how beautifully this head and shoulder inverted head and shoulder pattern has worked and has given the result for the natural gas. The call is running since yesterday and it has given amazing result. Yes, energy and as well as the base metals are having some sort of unique formation today, and you people can see the results of that. This is one of the NG call which has been going on, which I am showing you people right now. In the same way, for today's nickel, see, by nickel reversed from the downtrend, right? So what happened afterwards? So here you people can see that the nickel buy levels were also been given. The advanced buy levels were given at 10 o'clock itself, and that levels also worked perfectly. That levels were given by the master at the 10 o'clock itself. It too worked perfectly just by taking a little bit of stop loss. So this was the amazing, this is the amazing, the technical setup is working amazingly. It is giving beautiful results. You people can see our members had tried to capture nickel both ways, in the buy as well as in the sell levels. So sell levels did work perfectly and buy levels did work perfectly. And whenever you are in the profits, definitely in commodities, one or in any of the script, once you are in the profit, once the first target is hit, you can always trail your profits by keeping your profits at the first target. Again, you can jump. You can trail your profits. If you are getting your second target, you can trail or stop loss at a first target and can score maximum in within a few minutes. Those scripts are having such a huge volume that they are giving a strong moves within the minutes. This is the small this is the move which I am showing you people in the shorter time frame. In just a fraction of minutes we have got a strong upward move, and it also worked perfectly. So the thing is that always you need to be ready with the levels, and you need to capture such a move as well as be effective in booking your profits when you are trading for intraday. So this was the answer to your question, Ajit sir. As well as it would be a good learning from for everyone. Yeah, I am definitely going to other commodities as well. Don't worry. See, whatever commodities. Yes, Rakesh sir, see, the technicals always work. You should always have a little bit fundamental knowledge, or with a pinch of fundamental, and a strong robust technical setup always gives amazing results. So now if we go to crude chart, yeah, just I'll just try to maximize it so that everyone can see it. Yes, crude buy sell levels were posted early in the morning by Genie channel, and the buy levels were also posted, but the buy levels are not yet executed. Yeah, buy levels for the crude is nearby 4460. So now how you can focus on this, and I'm coming to everyone's question. I'll be looking at the questions after 15-20 minutes. So let us discuss the Genie trade levels which have been posted in Genie channel. You people can just browse here in the early morning when market open at 9 o'clock, right? And at sharp 999, the crude sell call was given, say by 4521 with a SL of 4543. So now, just within a here you people can just check the charts that the sell call executed little bit late. It got executed at 1 o'clock, but level worked perfectly, and it has given the low of 4476. So now just imagine 4521 to 476. So if you are able to pick up 30 points of profit, isn't it enough? Yeah, this is a hourly chart. I'm just showing you people the price action which has occurred from the levels which have been mentioned early in the morning. Yes, again in the afternoon, buy levels are given from 460, 460. So whenever price reaches today's evening level, yeah, definitely I'll share with you all. Nothing to hide over here. You people can make a buy entry nearby 4460. As of now, if you will compare a crude chart, or if you want to discuss the global uh, yeah, the global market trend for the crude, how the crude is moving. So here you people can see, first of all, that today USD INR, this is the daily chart of the USD INR, and the USD INR has given a huge spike from bottom. All of you can check this. This is the global USD INR chart. It is a daily chart, and today's candlestick pattern which I am showing you, it works for 24 hours. Now, how these commodities are correlated with USD INR chart. So this US, yeah, whenever we are trading with commodities, USD INR, or the change of the price rate between the US and the INR rupees, impacts a lot to all the commodities, because we are going to buy commodity in US dollar. So any change of rate in the prices of the USD INR, it always impact a lot to MCX commodities. Okay, so this is one of the reason why there was a sudden spike in nickel, in as well as in other commodities. Ajit sir, this what we were discussing. This was also one of the answer for your question, that why there was a strong uptrend. So hope you are now able to correlate it with each other. So it's definitely we should have a strong technical setup. Along with that, a little bit of fundamentals can give amazing result. How they are correlated, once again I will be explaining you, and it's always better to look such things in the live market. Let me show you people how this USD INR and crude are correlated with each other. See, I've just plotted two charts over here. It is in the line chart, and here you people can see this green line is USD INR line. This is the daily chart. This purple chart, all of you can observe this. Yeah, I'm just trying to zoom it. This purple color line is the Indian or the MCX crude oil price. This black line is a WTI crude oil price. Can you see that they both are following same sort of pattern? Are they following same sort of pattern? Yes, again I'll zoom it. Yeah, no worries. The only difference between these two lines are that sometime our MCX crude oil is making higher high or MCX crude oil is making lower low than WTI chart. The reason is that this USD INR. So the majorly whenever there is a huge fluctuation in currency rate in USD INR, it impacts a lot to us. Otherwise they both follow same sort of pattern. So if USD INR is showing some sudden spike, sudden strong upward spike, as per today we have got this live example. If you would have observed it, if you would have observed it in the charts, see, by let me show you people, not only in the nickel, yes, definitely we'll be looking into the higher time frame so that it would be pretty clear to you all. See, by nickel at a sharp 11 o'clock, if you people will check other commodities, see, by crude oil at a sharp, yeah, again at a sharp 11 o'clock, you people will see that a sudden upward movement was there, and definitely that was one of the reason was the USD INR fluctuation, and there was a huge spike in USD INR, which I'm showing you people right now. So that is the one of the reason why we would be getting a higher high than WTI chart, because there was a huge spike in USD INR. Otherwise, they both follow same sort of pattern. Now, another difference is also that between WTI and MCX chart. WTI chart works for 23 hours a day. Avinash, sir, you would be understanding the nuances of commodities, right, sir? As you were asking me the difference between this script are traded globally. They are working for 23 hours a day. So this MCX script works for 14 plus hours, whereas WTI chart works for more than 23 hours. And here you people can see that they both follow same sort of pattern, but that would be the little bit variation due to this fluctuation of USD INR as well as that timings. The global chart or the WTI chart, let me show you the crude chart. This is the US crude oil chart. I've just shown you people in the 15-minute time frame as well as in the hourly time frame. I'll be definitely showing you in the higher time frame as well as in the daily chart. You people can just check over here that this chart are more this chart would be having less gap, and they are showing more perfection for our trading setup as well. This chart would be giving you the amazing results according to technicals because it is working 23 hours a day. So whatever levels we are keeping in our public channel, say by Phoenix Commodities channel, as well as in Genie channel, as well as the masters, those who are taking trades, all our batch members, they know how to look at this global chart before our market opens. They know how to calculate a crude oil MCX price with the help of this global chart. Yes, I will be teaching you people as well. You just need to multiply this 61.14 into USD INR price rate, and you will be getting the MCX price. They know, they work on those levels, and before our market start, they will decide on the important levels, as I already showed you people in the Genie, and it has given an amazing results. So results are also in front of you all. In the same way, this is not only true for crude oil. In the same way, whatever script you may be trading for all the commodities, this is true. Yes, definitely I'll be showing you. See, by crude sell was given and it has already given more than 40 points of profit. It worked perfectly. In the same way, copper, uh, yes, in the same way, copper sell was given from 672. It was given in the Phoenix Commodities free channel as well, and it has given amazing profits of 4 points and even more than that, right? Nickel has given amazing profit of 5 points. Yes, so these are the today's trade levels which I am showing you, people. Exactly, zinc 2 worked perfectly. I'll be showing you the zinc levels shared by the master. Gold mini also worked perfectly. So gold, yeah. So all these levels are giving amazing accuracy because they are also based on the global charts. It's not only we are looking for the MCX chart, but looking at the global chart always help us to get a more stronger levels, and uh, accuracy of those levels are just amazing. So these are the few things which are, yes, copper again executed from 672, and again it has given 2.555 points of profit, which was been posted. This level for the sell was posted early in the morning, right at 9 o'clock. Even you people can just check over here. Yes, copper sell call is given early in the morning at 9:10, and till now again the same level has given again 3 points of profit. Yeah, definitely I'll be showing you, people. You all want to check copper levels as well. Okay, yeah, I'm coming to NG, I'm coming to silver as well, don't worry. So this is the copper chart. You people can see again 672, again from 672, the same level which we were posted in the morning has given amazing accuracy, and again it has given almost 3 points of profit. So yes, you people can calculate 2,500 rupees of profit per point in a copper. It has again given more than 7,000 rupees of profit. So single trade in a day is more than enough to achieve your target in commodities, and we have very less commodities to focus, so it is highly possible. Same way, the crude oil levels I already shared with you all. Let me finish crude oil and then let us jump to the next commodity, as I'm getting plenty of questions regarding crude oil. See, there are no such strategies which I can teach you people in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I have got a plenty of requests for that, for a crude oil or any other commodities. Yes, that is a correlation between USD INR and commodities. The relation is in the form of the percentage. So whenever you get a sudden upward move or a strong volatile move in USD INR, you need to be always cautious in commodities as well. Okay, Rohit sir, this was the answer to your question. Now Deepak sir, see, 10 points of profit is quite easy to maintain crude on a consistent basis. There are plenty of such strategies. We'll be sharing you people a few strategies in upcoming days. But I firmly believe, once again, I'm telling you, sir, and to everyone sitting over here, as those who all are requesting me for some sort of strategies, I firmly believe that the strategies which would be giving you one point, or which would be working, or which would be giving you the straight way points of the profits, it may work once or twice, it may not work every time, because you need to frame strategies by understanding the concepts properly, and making you understand the concept, it may take a little bit of time, sir. So definitely I'll be planned that, but it's not going to be that simple. Yes, for today I already told you people that 4450 or 44, or yes, in MCX chart I'll be showing you, sir. Yeah, I'm getting the, it's not a possible to explain sort of strategies in just a few minutes, but yeah, we'll schedule something like that. Yeah, so today it is definitely, it is showing strong bullish scenario right now. Crude, see, right now there are plenty of sentiments involved in crude oil. People are waiting for the OPEC meeting, which is held, which is recently held. Again, Suez Canal, yeah, the news related to Suez Canal are also running around. So it is showing the little bit confusion at the important levels, and there can be a good buying zone near 4440 for the day. If that zone is broken, then definitely it will give further downward journey. So Deepak sir, hopefully you would have got an insight for the today's trade in the crude, right? Exactly. So so there are a few news which are coming up for the crude oil. Yeah, OPEC plus nations are going to discuss output level as crude oil prices were comfortably trading above $60 per barrel, right? And the easy of supplies worries, Suez Canal and pandemic worries in Europe. This all things have kept upside limit in oil prices as of now. And crude prices are expected to trade sideways to up for the day. So these are the global scenarios which I am trying to share with you all for crude oil. As majority of you people are interested for crude oil, I'm trying to share with you all the, yeah, the global scenario in the crude oil which is going right now. If the resistance zone is broken, then definitely we'll be getting the upward zone, and 4440 is a good support zone. If it is broken, then we may get a downward journey. Clear? Okay, that's great. Yeah, we are going to other commodities as well. Yeah, definitely. I'll be showing you people natural gas as well. The same thing is okay, silver micro as well. See, silver, gold. Due to USD/INR fluctuation, we have got the strong spikes in them, right, Rohit sir? So it was due to USD/INR fluctuation. After a little bit, once it will get settled, we may get a good formation and we'll be getting good levels in that too. So natural gas, which script to follow the natural gas? The same thing which I explained for you to you people for a crude oil, same thing applies for natural gas. The our MCX chart are mirror image of this natural gas chart. Here you people can see that this is the global natural gas chart, and this is the daily chart of the natural gas. Again, you people can see how beautifully it has taken the support from the bottom and had given an upward journey. The levels of the natural gas are being shared in our master's channel before one day itself, and here you people can see that they have already shown you all. Yeah, I'll be opening the master's channel, and they have shown this upward journey one day ahead, and they are already trading in the direction of the trade. Yes, let me show you people. See, already this was shared yesterday, and these are the where the levels are today. This chart has been already uploaded yesterday, and here you people can see it has already given the upward journey. Definitely strong, robust technical setup and little bit of learnings can help you like anything. Yesterday itself, Master Ramesh picked a perfect buy in the NG and has given all the targets. Yeah, so so technical setup and the labels are working beautifully in natural gas as well as crude oil. I don't want to share with you anything else if the live results are just in front of you. Yeah, so that was about the natural gas, and there are sudden spike in the bullions as of now. See, bullions are should, yes, definitely we'll be sharing with you all the global scenario of the bullions. First of all, whenever we are talking about bullions, whenever we are looking for the bullions, here you people can just see silver and gold. As Rohit sir, you are interested more in the silver and gold, and many members are asking that how to focus on the bullions. So in the same way, you people should understand first of all that the gold and silver has an internal correlation between each other, and that also the spike of the, yeah, let me remove this USD and our price rates always impacts to the prices of the gold and silver. 90% of time, this gold and silver would be following same sort of pattern. Here you people can see that the silver chart has been plotted and gold chart has been plotted. Here you people can see that they both are following same sort of pattern. Yes, when pandemic started last year, there was a sudden spike in silver because industries were closed and silver is also used in industries. But gold, there was no sudden spike in the gold because people are keen in investment in the gold. So during pandemic time, there was a sudden spike, downward spike in silver, and when the pandemic was getting released, there was a sudden upward spike in the silver. Otherwise, this both script follow same sort of pattern. Right now they are following same sort of pattern, but the gold is little bit downward side and the silver is a upward side. So these are the sentiments which one need to understand for trading in gold and silver. The global scenario I already shared with you all, and for the silver mini or the silver micro, the, yeah, the sudden spike whatever we have got in the this bullions, it is due to USD INR price fluctuation. Definitely will be coming to the MCX chart, but hopefully you all are understanding the sentiments of gold and silver. Yeah, definitely will be putting up the view as well. Now I've got a number of times the same question: what is the margin requirement for trading in commodities? See, this was the little bit you people would have got an idea that this commodities which are being traded on MCX are traded globally and they are correlated with the global charts. Okay, so for a WTI crude oil or our MCX chart is a mirror image of WTI crude oil. In the same way, our MCX chart is a mirror image of natural gas, global natural gas, and that is the same for all the commodities. So, and this global script, globally traded script, say by crude oil, natural gas, copper, nickel, uh, all are traded in global for 23 hours a day. They sleep only for 1 hour. So the accuracy or the levels which we would be getting by using this script, by trading this script, would be just amazing because they are working for 23 hours a day. When our MCX chart open, we can work on the sort of technicals and we can be prepared with our levels before market opens. It quite easy to maintain commodities due to this advantage as they are traded globally, and our MCX chart is a mirror image of this globally traded script. You can open any XYZ script. Right now I had opened investing.com in front of you. It is just the free version. You can use it and can open any global script. Our MCX chart are a mirror image of this script. Yes, definitely we need a plenty of learnings to just correlate it with each other, otherwise it gives amazing result. Now next, all these commodities, or we are having only 8 to 9 commodities to trade which are being traded globally. Then what is the margin requirement for trade in this commodities? I'm showing you in Allies Blue. Allies Blue is giving the best. Allies Blue is the platform which is giving the best margin limits for the commodities, and here you people can see for intraday trades, the margin requirement for trading in this globally traded script or the commodities is a very less. Okay, if you are trading under Phoenix Commodities, if you are opening your account under Allies Blue under Phoenix Commodities, then definitely you can avail few of the offers and you will be getting the support from our support team as well. So margin requirement is just in front of you. Jackson sir, can you see here? All the new members, those who have not gone through my previous webinar, they can just understand what is a margin requirement. Okay. Yes, you people can just observe here, and those who have registered in our website, they can go through the previous session or the commodity Pathshala part 1, where I have made clear, where I have made you all understand why one should trade in commodities, what are the advantages of trading in commodities, what is the capital requirement for trading in commodities. So if you are missing all these things, you can just go through, you can just follow us on our website. There is a learning tab. I'll be showing you people how where you can look at this. I think Srinivas sir, you were asking me, are you there, sir? Here you people can see what is the margin requirement for trading in commodities. Natural gas, just a 15,000 is enough to take your trade in natural gas. Yes, for crude oil, you require 48,000 to trade in crude oil. Silver micro, the people who are interested to trade with very less capital, they can focus on a silver micro, silver mini, gold mini, where you can just trade with 3,620 rupees in silver micro. You can start with a minimum capital and can increase your capital or can build your capital by trading commodities, because it is quite easy to mint commodities if you focus on your learnings. If you are dedicated, it is quite easy to multiply your capital. Gold mini, the margin requirement is just 20,000. Yes, options are available, index is already there, but we are not trading on options and index as of now, because the future itself we can trade with a very less capital. And another reason is that the volumes are yet to pick up. Yeah, there are volumes but not that strong to actively trade in all the options. So here you people can just look here. This is the MCX website. Here you can see the products, whatever products you are willing to trade. We are having very less products to focus. We do also have a bullion index and metal index, gold, silver. In gold and silver, we are having many contracts so that you people can trade with a less capital. Copper, lead, nickel, zinc, aluminium, they are the base metals. Crude oil and natural gas, they are they comes under energy. Yes. Now going to the silver mini, and what is the view of the silver mini. So as I told you people that whatever the movement which we have got today in the silver and other commodities, it was due to USD. Another huge spike was due to USD INR, and yes, 64500. Rohit sir, as you are asking me today's view, today's market view of silver mini. So these are the important levels. If today's high is broken, by keeping today's high as a stop loss nearby 64500, you can go for a sell. If today's high is broken, then there is a possibility to reverse or to give a upward, to give a strong upward movement. That is what I'm telling you or giving you the view of today's silver mini. Okay, so yes, so from this zone you can just sell it, and above this you can make this today's high. You can keep a stop loss. If that is broken, then you may get a good upward journey. So the buy and sell levels are just with you people. You can just work on that. All the brokers, yes, Amit sir, there is no yeah, see, first of all, the for the margin rule as of now, though that won't be advantage because the margin requirement for all the commodities would be same, but still if you will compare the margin requirement in other discount brokers, say by Zerodha or Upstocks, and compare it with LIC, you will be getting a plenty of difference, Amit sir. So you can just compare with them and you will understand. Whatever platform you are using, you can do one thing. The simple thing you can do is that I have shown you people the link where you can open the link, you yourself check that what is the margin requirement in LISP. You can compare with your platform. Whatever platform is working best for you, you can just go for that. There are plenty of other questions which are related to commodity inventories and how inventory can impact the prices of the commodities. See, today right now I had given you the live view for the crude oil as well as the silver, and we have seen the plenty of comparison between global and Indian market, as well as we have already discussed the labels which have been posted in our channel. Now, what is inventory is on the whole the complete different subject, Amit sir. So yes, I'm noting down your point, and to in Thursday's session, Commodity Pathshala Part 3, I will be explaining you people what would be inventory more, what is inventory and how it is impacting our commodities. If possible, will explain you the complete inventory on Thursday's session. So yeah, so just follow us and follow this Phoenix Commodities free channel. There were plenty of questions that how to follow this channel. I'll definitely, I will definitely sharing you people all the links where you people can join me live, and we'll be discussing live market. Okay, yeah, it's a continuous ongoing series. Every Tuesday and every Thursday, we will be discussing live market and commodities. uh, you people can just register over here. You will get me, and I will be trying to explore uh, every next session will try to explore new topic, and definitely will cover inventory and many other important facts which are related to commodities, how you can build your commodities, power of compounding in commodities, and many other things. Yeah, you people need to follow Phoenix Commodities free channel. There you people can see the name Phoenix Commodities and the subscribers over here. Please don't connect to any other channel or any other fake channel. Other things, if for any other queries regarding the curriculum or the course or what the masters are for doing, or what is the Genie channel, see, I have already shared it in the first webinar. For other queries, you people can contact our support team. Support team number is over here. Okay, so you people can just contact them. You can note down this number and can contact them. In short, I like to share with you all that what is Genie channel. So MCX Genie Research Idea is a channel where our Phoenix team, our own technical team, put up their labels, and the complete members, say by from batch 1 to batch 14, those who are a part of our batch groups, those who are taking training under us, we are providing research levels for them, and we are providing this research levels on the basis of the technical setup which we are teaching them, so they can correlate it with that and they can learn and earn together. That is a MCX Genie channel. Masters channel, masters are those members, those who have already proved themselves, those who are already trading very nicely, those who have reached to next level, those who have uh, already shown their performance, they are being promoted in the masters channel. As I showed you people, they shared their research ideas, they put up their labels, they put up the charts, they learn and earn together, they help the complete community. Say by today in zinc we have scored 2.20 points of profit. 1 point of movement in zinc gives you 5,000 rupees of profit. So the potential of commodities is just huge, and our members are minting it like anything. You people can even be part of such channel. If you invest in your learnings, even you yourself can be Genie or master. Yes, learnings are priceless, and here you people can see the result of that. I don't yeah, you can see these things in the live. Yes, yesterday the market was open for a half day due to Holi. MCX market was closed and it was open at a 5 o'clock. Though it was opened at a 5 o'clock, you people can just check here. Yesterday evening also our member just nailed it. See the group member of our batch 14, and here you people can see how they are. It is ongoing batch. They are learning and earning together. The, yeah, though the market opened evening at 5 o'clock, our members had maintained a huge profits even in the evening session. Live class has been scheduled from 7:30 to 9:30 every day evening. And yesterday, one of our members scored more than 31,000 of profits. So this is the power of learnings. It is just you can recover your fees with just a single trade. And here you people can see it, right? It is ongoing batch 14. So which I'm showing you people. It's a wonderful learning platform, collaborative learning platform where you can learn and earn together, where you can discuss everything, where you can discuss your trade levels, and it definitely help us to give you different level of energy. It is all based on the technicals and on the setup which we are being teaching in our curriculum. Yes, the curriculum is covering. First of all, whenever you go for any batch for the learning, you will be added in that group, and Masters and Genie channel will help you uh, to implement your learnings in a right way. Okay, because they would be sharing that research ideas, and it will help you whether you are on the right side of the direction or not. Again, the curriculum is total exhaustive curriculum. All the session are in the live market every day evening 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It is the curriculum of 21 to 29 days of session. Each and every clarification is in the live market, so people, it's quite easy to relate it, and the curriculum is very very exhaustive. It is covering fundamentals plus technicals, the complete course curriculum. And any other inquiry about the way of Phoenix Commodities, you can just contact the support team. You can mail them, you can you can use this Telegram ID, you can call them, you can WhatsApp them. They will definitely help you to go ahead. Yes, hopefully I had reverted back to everyone's question. For any further queries, you can just connect to our support team. We'll be meeting for the next commodity Pathshala part 3 on Thursday afternoon 3 o'clock. Join the live webinar, and we'll be discussing live market, yeah, global as well as MCX market on Thursday 3 to 4. Thanks a lot.